Elena. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, don't look too close because it's not perfect, but your girl did her own lace wig install. It's not perfect because this is my first time doing this, so not too much on me. So this is the wig that I have. I can link it in the description because I don't know anything about this anymore. I ordered it some time ago. I already bleached the knots somewhat. I did the best I could, and it doesn't really look like anything happened. Just a little bit bleached, but I'm gonna put some foundation up here. Now it looks so much better than it did before. I'm gonna flip it out so y'all can see it now. Now that looks like it fit me. Let's get this on. Can't see. Maybe I don't need to see. So I'm gonna pull this all the way tight, y'all. And I'm gonna cut out my ear holes. I can't see, y'all, at all. I'm gonna cut out the eyes so I can see. Okay. We're gonna spray some Gotta Be. Okay, so I had to change my shirt, so. God, this feels so weird. Oh my gosh. It's not even dried all the way. What am I doing? It's not even plugged in. This is, but y'all gonna get raw. I can't. Excuse me. Who hairline come all the way down here? You know what? It might be mine. Yup. I do believe that is my hairline. Cut that cape off. And cut some more of this off. Don't need all this extraness. Don't need it. Don't need it. So this is it right now. I got my foundation that I gotta put on, but right now, what are you supposed to do with this? Supposed to put some glue on there and let it dry some? Let it get tacky. I think I need to put foundation on first. And then, y'all, please don't fuss at me. I don't know what I'm doing. Are we looking bald yet? No, we're not. I'll use another one. That way I can just place it on there. Why is it not coming out? Yo, if I tell you, if it ain't one thing, it's another.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Get me now. Okay. Okay, it's looking. It's looking. So, I don't really know what to do. I need to get some mousse and push all this back, I suppose. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna push all this back. I should have had a comb. Like, I'm gonna need this stuff out the way. Y'all see what I'm trying to do? I'm trying to cut this ear tab back here. You know what? This is getting on my nerves. That did nothing. I'm literally so scared to do anything right now. I put the wig on. I put some mousse. So I put this on. Put this on the perimeter of the wig and combed it back. That way it can stay out of my way. And I don't know what to do. Because this wasn't even supposed to be a frontal. This was supposed to be a closure. This was supposed to be a closure. So now I need to get my life together because this is still gonna work as a closure because I'm not gonna be out here wearing a frontal. I cannot do that. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut. We're gonna cut right here. We're gonna cut right here. All right. The lace is cut. Can't take it back. Can't send it back. None of that. So that's the first part that we did. That I did. And then I'm gonna just do this part. I'm not gonna glue down this. I'm not gonna do that. I think I'm cutting too much. And then, whoops. Once I put the glue on, I'm gonna tie it down with an elastic band that I cannot find. Everything is sticking everywhere. One pass too, because I'm not doing all that doggone glue. Not me. That's not for me. I can't do it. Y'all can do it, but I'm not gonna do it because I know my limits right now. Obviously I don't, but this is my first time. There's a first time for everything, and this is my first time. I'm gonna hit it with the blow dryer and put it on cool this time. So I put it on cool, and now I'm just gonna press it down. I don't know if you're supposed to go ahead and cut this while it's on there, but I'm gonna no, because I got to do everything else first. Lay it down all together and then come back and cut it. Now what I have to do, I got to put all this up. That way I can tie my elastic band on properly. I won't grab my other clips right now. So I'm gonna put my band on. My band is very, very dirty. So we're gonna use the less dirty side. And we gonna slap that bad boy on as tight as we can. I need you to come out with a headache when you put this bad boy on. Y'all see how tight I'm pulling? I need y'all to pull tighter than it. It doesn't even feel tight. I got a big old head. I don't know what to do when I do this. Should I have sprayed some hairspray on there? I've seen people do that, spray some hairspray to get the texture to come out right, or the color. So I'm gonna hit this a little bit. Ha!
Moving fast, but nothing was coming out. It was quiet.
The glue burst everywhere in here. I was squeezing it and it wouldn't come out because I saw a little bit. So I was like, let me squeeze a little bit more, maybe it'll come. And the top came off. Glue went everywhere. It went onto the ceiling. It's on my mirror, on my other mirror. It got all on my shirt, my pants, the floor. I'm glad I changed my shirt because now it's on the Las Vegas shirt. So I don't care about this. First day wearing it too, and I mess up. Oh my Lamb of God. Did I cut too much? Did that look weird?
What are you talking about?
Does this look weird?
Hold on. What?
Yeah, it looks weird, doesn't it?
No, I don't even know what you're talking about.
It looks weird.
Hold on, buddy. Because I'm driving. No.
So this is it. I didn't want to take these off because I didn't glue these parts down, but okay, it's looking all right. If I don't wear a part, I just flip that bad boy. Ah! I got my hair done.
What?
I got my hair done because Lord knows.
What's wrong with you?
Huh?
What's wrong with you? Stop all that noise.
Shut up. I'm not gonna style it tonight, but I am gonna tie it down on my edges. I'm trying to get this down, but I don't think I'm gonna wear it with a part because I had my hair like this before where I just, you know, did the little, you know, and it looked fun. So this is what we're gonna do again. I got the plug, I made the call for me. Alright, so you can kind of see like it's not perfect at all. And this side, like I cannot get it, so it's just gonna be flipped like this all the time because I just can't get that part to go down. I got too much of the wig cap on that end, so I'm about to put this up. And we're gonna spray some hairspray on because I remember seeing some people do that to get that little ashy spot off. Oh, I'm gonna spray a little olive oil sheen spray up there. So we're gonna tie this down and we're gonna see how this looks. I don't know why that's not coming out, but we're gonna tie it down. Boom, and then we're gonna come back or whatever in like 2-3 minutes. I don't know how long it's gonna keep on. I don't know anything about this stuff, but we're gonna see. All this glue. Crash humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens the black Dickens as we laugh over shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble back you for damn and would you. So this is she. This is she. How it's looking. It has some pretty good stretch. It's almost like down to my bra strap. It is really good. It was super soft earlier, but because I put product in it, it has fluffed up a lot. But I like it like this. I like it like this. So I have had this out all day, so this is what it looks after being out all day. but earlier today it looked really good. So I am just going to leave this out, or I may just twist it up or something to keep it detangled.
Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sin. Baptism. Peace color skies reveal a sunrise. Until lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yeah.